Hello, boys and girls. Happy Earth Day. Today we are celebrating on April 22nd, Earth Day, which was established in 1970. So we are celebrating 50 years of bringing awareness to protecting our Earth. Now, our class has been talking all about scientists and what it means to be a scientist. Does anybody know the kind of scientists that study the Earth and help protect the Earth? Those kind of scientists are called environmental scientists. And an environmental scientist studies the Earth's air, water, soil, and all the living things and plants, including humans, and how they affect the Earth. That's what environmental scientist does. It studies all the parts of the environment and how humans affect the environment. Well, Earth Day is all about getting everyone on board to protect the Earth. So I thought we would start with a song. This is what the Earth looks like if you're looking from outer space. And it's to the tune of Happy Birthday. So join along. Happy Earth Day to you. Happy Earth Day to you. Happy Earth Day, dear planet. Happy Earth Day to you. So it's time to celebrate our Earth, and it's time to start protecting our Earth. And guess what? I know a lot of you do a lot to protect the Earth already. So I know that we are in good hands for our future. I'm going to read a book, and the book is called Why Should I Protect Nature? And it's a great book by Mike Gordon, and it talks all about the kinds of things we can do to protect the Earth. Why should I protect nature? Nature is everything that's outside, including the water, the soil, the air, and the living creatures, and that's what environmental scientists study, nature. Nature is the big wide world all around us, from giant oak trees to little acorns and wiggling worms. The birds chirping in the trees are part of nature. So is the salty smell of the sea, splashing in the rain puddles, and the soft fur on a donkey's nose. All of those things are nature. I used to find nature boring or pesky or creepy, but then our class went on a trip. Our trip, we went to the sea and we looked at the tide pools, and it was great. Look at all this. On the way home, we had a picnic in the park. Those are two different types of environments, aren't they? Everyone got a bit rowdy. Craig and Marina broke some branches. I threw my soda can. John picked some flowers, and Sally tried to swat at a bee. Oh no, are they protecting nature? Our teacher, Miss Wade, said we should protect nature, not hurt it. This little boy says, why should I protect nature? She asked, what do you think would happen if everyone broke off branches? Oh no. The trees would have no leaves left and they couldn't grow properly. Birds couldn't nest in their branches. And guess what would happen if we all picked flowers and swatted bees? Oh no, that looks like a very, very barren land. There would be no flowers left, and we'd have no honey for breakfast because there would be no bees. And what would happen if we all dropped litter everywhere we liked? Look at this, all that litter exploding out of that car. Oh no, I know you have all seen litter. The countryside would be knee deep in paper, plastic, and tin cans. Oh, that looks like a mess. Birds and other animals would choke or get trapped in the litter and die. Oh no, we would hurt the animals if we litter. We hurt their habitats. No trees, no flowers, no honey, no animals. That would be terrible. So how can we help nature instead? This is the part where you're the experts. Instead of picking flowers, we could plant flowers in the corner of the garden. Have any of you been planting at home? Butterflies and bees would love flowers, so they'll visit too. We could plant a tree instead of breaking branches. Cleaning up litter keeps nature looking lovely and helps animals and birds. Look at them cleaning up. Now, we have fun protecting nature. After all, people are a part of nature too. People are a part of the environment. We are actually the biggest part of impacting the environment, which is why we're having Earth Day, to make people aware of the need to protect nature. So I have some really cool rhymes to share with you. So let's see if you can get the answers to my rhymes. It's called Earth Day Rhymes. See if you can fill in the blanks. Follow this rule day or night. When you leave a room, turn off the... Did you say light? You're right. Find a trash can, look around, never throw trash on the... Did you say ground? You're right, never throw trash on the ground. You put it in the trash can. One last rhyme. Make Earth a greener place to be. Let's go out and plant a... Did you guess tree? You are right. So those are some really fun rhymes. Now behind me, I have ways where you can help save the Earth. These are some things that some of you already do, and then maybe there might be some that you don't know about. Be an Earth Day superhero. Can you throw away your trash? And I'm going to challenge you, can you throw away trash when you're on a hike or in a park or at the beach that maybe wasn't even your trash just because it's the right thing to do? Be an Earth Day superhero. Can you reuse your water bottle? Well, my friends, I know you do that already. We all use a reusable water bottle at school. Be an Earth Day superhero. Can you use both sides of your paper? If you use and waste less paper and other materials, then there's more things and places for animal habitats to be safe. We won't be having to cut down trees. Be an Earth Day superhero. Can you turn off the water? If you're brushing your teeth, don't just let the water run because that's wasting water, and other ways. Here's a little question. It says, what should you do? You finish your bag of pretzels and you go to throw it in the can, but oops, you missed the can. What should you do? Should you stop and should you pick it up and make sure it gets in the can? Same thing if you see some litter on the ground at the park. I hope you'll pick it up because I know that's the right thing to do. Let's take a look at this one where it talks about all these different animals and look at all these different habitats. Do you remember when we studied the Earth? Well, guess what? We were being environmental scientists when we were talking about habitats. Over here it says, my home is the beach. Keep it clean. And you can see somebody's thrown newspapers there and left them. So we want to clean up, throw out the newspapers. This is a bear in the forest. It says, my home is a forest. Keep it clean, please. And you can see cans and bottles and paper there. We're going to throw out that trash too. Here it says, my home is a river. Keep it clean. Look at somebody's coffee cup is in there. So we're going to throw out that trash. My home is a pond. Keep it clean, please. Look at this bottle floating and that poor frog is going to jump right on it. Let's throw out the trash. My home is a desert. Keep it clean, please. Look at here is a lizard. And it's a plastic bag blowing. Well, that doesn't belong there. Throw out that trash. So we can keep the Earth clean. And we can help keep the animals all safe in their habitats. I hope that you'll join me in wrapping up this lesson on Earth Day. And you notice I wore my heart sweatshirt because I love the earth. And I love to plant and to grow things. And I've been doing a lot of gardening. And today I've got a big delivery of mulch. So I'm going to start making my yard look beautiful and protect my nature and my yard. So I hope you'll join in the song. It's to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. And it goes like this. If you care about the earth, then keep it clean. If you care about the earth, then keep it clean. If you want the earth to glitter, then throw away your litter. If you care about the earth, then keep it clean. You can draw me a picture and send it to me on all the ways that you want to protect the earth. And you can continue doing all the things that you do at your home, like using metal straws, reusing containers, throwing out trash and not wasting. And I know that you will help me protect the earth, especially today on Earth Day. But let's just face it, every day should be Earth Day. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow.